All right, well, we're down to, I believe, step 7, which is your final coat, which is your 2K clear. So this is it here. When you go down to your local Autobarn or Auto Pro and Burson's, I'm not sure if Burson carries it on, but you can ask for them. They'll get it for you. Yeah, just at this stage, this is the final stage, so you really need to be careful with it. You go ahead and apply the paint on as basically similar to the base coat. The first coat's very light. You don't want to go too heavy. You just want to get a tack coat on first, because what can happen is if you apply a heavy coat, you may get runs because there's nothing for the clear to attach itself to. Once you put a tack coat down, and then the second, give that about 5 minutes flash off, and then the second coat will attach a lot better and it won't run, so you can go slightly heavier. First things first though, let's test this nozzle out. It's nice open, nice wide fan. Just check it out on a piece of cardboard like this. That gives you a good indication on the width of the fan. And here we go. Wish us luck. Make sure you've shaken the crap out of it, because if you haven't mixed the two components together and you won't get a good finish or a proper catalyzed finish. So let's just start off lightly. Always start off at the edge first. Now I'm going to go right up to the top and cover that guard too. There you go, that's the first coat of clear. That's just a tack coat. Basically, once that dries, that'll give the next coat something to really bite onto. Then we'll go slightly heavier and maybe put another coat on after that. You can get away with 2 coats with this stuff because it does cover well, but sometimes you need 3 coats just to make sure that you've got enough durability in the paint, so if there is any stone chips, it doesn't penetrate through the clear. Okay, we've given it about 5 minutes to flash off, and now we're going to apply the second coat, and we'll go a little bit heavier, but not too much. Just gauge it for yourself, but I think 3 coats is perfect, but you could probably get away with 2. Again, just check your fan and start at the edge. Now always remember to overlap every pass. So whatever pass, every time you put a pass down, always overlap it by about 50%. That's come up really nice now. I think that's pretty good. I might just let it go at 2 coats. I'll bring the camera over and show you what it looks like. Okay. Now you should be able to see the gloss level on that. That's come up quite nice, and the colour is almost perfect. I'll see how I go. There's a few little dry spots here, so what I might do is give it another flash off, about 10 minutes, and then get back and put a final wet coat on. Okay. Now we come up to the final coat. We've had 2 coats on there. I've given it about 10 minutes flash off time between coats, and now I'll do the final coat. and that should be it. As you can see there, I'm going a little bit heavier. Don't forget, clear the nozzle. And that looks like it's done. Oh, missed a spot here. There's really no fear of going heavier on your last coat because it'll help it flow a bit better. Plus, because you've got those first 2 coats there that are tacky, the 3rd coat's going to really hang on. It's not going to run. Fingers crossed. I'll bring the camera over so you can have a look. Okay, where the repair was. You can see the gloss level there. All right, that was step 7, I think. So from step 1, the repair, the priming, the prepping, to the end result, which is not too bad. As far as I can tell, that's pretty good. That's almost as good as the, well, I reckon that's as pretty good as the spray gun. Good job. Right, this is the end result. If you've found this video helpful in any way to help you do a repair at home, step by step, please share and like the video, and please subscribe. There's more videos coming on other applications. One I might do next is on headlights. You know how your headlights go yellow over time? Well, I'll show you the step-by-step process of that, and that's easy to do. It's just quick sand and application of the clear. Then there'll be how to use heat-proof paint, how to prepare and repair and paint a vinyl seat out of your car, caliper paint, showing you how to apply that, engine enamels. All these products are available at your local Autobarn stores and Burson stores, and as well as your Auto Pro stores. So there's your 2K primer, your 2K clear, and of course you've got your colour. That's a concept product. It doesn't have to be concept. Whatever paint you've got, it's compatible with most car paints on the market. But the clear, it's absolutely, all I can say is it's phenomenal. To be able to get this kind of gloss and finish is amazing. So please subscribe, please share, please like, and look forward to seeing you next time. Just another thing, if you've got any questions, feel free to write them in the comments. I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can, or most of you as soon as I can. But if not, I can actually add it to the next video. So any questions you have, any if you need any help, just basically just write it in the comments. I'll do the best I can to get back to you and help you through it, or or basically do another repair or whatever you need done to answer your questions.